How to get a man to love you more fast. 5 how to make a man fall deeply in love with you tricks. Would you love to know how to get a man to love you more than he is showing right now? You may have wondered several times how to make a man fall deeply in love with you. This was put together to help you achieve your goal in a quick amount of time. Trick number 1. Just be the real you. Don't spend all your time around him pretending to be someone else. It is positively exhausting trying to be a perfect version of what you think someone else wants all the time. There is continued pressure to keep this image up too, even when you don't feel like it. Besides, you want the guy to fall in love with the real you, to know it is true and not the front you put on just for them. This is yet another way for how to get a man to love you more fast. You don't need to go on a drastic diet or change your hair color to look beautiful. Every person has features that make them attractive in general. Learn how to maximize these to the best of your abilities. Remember, you have a unique look that can't be easily duplicated. Trick number 3. Don't always rely on him to initiate physical contact. It's okay to go up to him and kiss him first or wrap your arms around him. Men do like to take charge in general, but when you make the physical contact first, this can stimulate him on a new level. You want to remind him of how much you desire him without him having to make the first contact all the time. This will lead to him wanting you more overall. Trick number 4. Allow some separation time on a regular basis. You may be very crazy about him, but you don't want to smother him every waking moment. It's good for him to have alone time and not see you constantly. You may say, okay, what do I do with myself if I'm used to being around him all the time? This is where having your own hobbies and interests outside of the relationship comes in handy. When you two spend time apart on a regular basis, this will increase the desire to want each other when you get back together. Giving a man some freedom to just be himself and be by himself or with the guys will bring more balance in your overall relationship. Trick number 5. Look him in the eye. One of the biggest secrets of keeping attraction and desire alive is simple eye contact with your man. This will help with how to make a man fall deeply in love with you. All you need to do is look him in the eyes and smile for a few seconds when having a conversation with him, and he will be pulled in. It is all about the visual cue. When he notices that your eyes are locked in on his, then he can't help but stay alert to what you're saying, and this increases desire for you. These tricks will definitely get you on the road to how to get a man to love you more fast. So now that you know this, what about getting him to not just like you, but to fall even more deeply in love with you? What about getting him to devote himself to your complete joy and happiness from here out? Well, wouldn't you love that? Check out the link below or in the description box to learn how to 10x your love life now.